Vice Chancellor of the University, University Management, distinguished guests, the administration of the university, the Student Representative Council, student leaders, and most importantly, the vibrant student body of the University of Eswatini, I greet you all. Today, we stand at the intersection of two powerful narratives: the celebration of our unique Eswatini culture and the commemoration of Africa Day, a day that reminds us that while we are children of this beautiful kingdom, we are fundamentally citizens of a vast, resilient, and promising continent. Culture is not merely a collection of traditions, attire, or dances. Culture is the blueprint of our identity. It is the wisdom passed down from our ancestors, the values that govern our conduct, and the foundation upon which we build our aspirations. When we celebrate Culture Day here at UNESWA, we are not just displaying where we come from, we are reaffirming the strength of our character and the richness of our diverse background. However, as we look forward to celebrate our roots, we must also look outward to honor our collective African journey. Africa Day is a reminder of our shared struggle, our shared history, and most crucially, our shared destiny. It is a day that challenges us to transcend the artificial borders that have historically separated us and to embrace the unity that is essential for our development. As the president of the SRC, I'm often asked what the role of a student leader should be in such a fast-changing world. My answer remains the same. Our role is to be bridges, to be conduits. We are the bridge between academic rigors of this institution and the practical needs of our society. Today, I challenge every student at this university to be an agent of that unity. And I want to applaud the Culture Society, Chairperson Richard Lamini and your team for reviving this, celebration which is entrenched in our SRC constitution, Africa Day. We must applaud you, Richard. So I kindly invite you all to just give a round of applause to the Culture Society that has brought this together. Siyabonga kakhulu. In conclusion, let us celebrate today with pride. Let us dance, let us share our stories, and let us honor the traditions that make us who we are. But let us also leave this event with a renewed commitment to our collective growth. Let us commit to being students who not only respect our past, but are actively building a brighter and more unified future for Eswatini and for Africa. And maybe before I sit down, I just want to emphasize the importance of inculcating Africa Day into this. Last year it was called Culture Day. Today we're calling it Africa Day. Like I've said, it's part of our constitution. And the importance of it is that, at the University of Eswatini, in as much as the majority is Eswatini students, we also have international students who come from SADC and beyond. And we would like for them to be a part of such celebrations, to show the diversity of the university and our commitment to unity. So it would just be a call out to international students that are present. We hope that in the following year, Staukhona Kubona, Emma dances from Lesotho, from Botswana, Zimbabwe, etc., because we have such internationals at our university. We want to see them be proud of their heritage and their culture, and we want to celebrate together so that we can indeed make it Africa Day and not just Culture Day. Thank you very much.
Mabukisi Foundation, lwati nebuve ingcebo.